You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. We have major developments in North Carolina today, where a power shift in the North Carolina Supreme Court may mean a return to gerrymandered maps and a strict voter ID requirement. It could also impact Moore versus Harper in the U.S. Supreme Court. In November's elections, the power shifted on the state's high court, resulting in a 5-2 conservative majority. During the redistricting process, a more liberal court had denied efforts by GOP legislators to pass heavily gerrymandered congressional and state voting district maps. Soon after the new court was sworn in, Republican lawmakers requested a rehearing of Harper versus Hall, the root case of Moore versus Harper. On February 3rd, the AP and the Carolina Journal reported that the new court granted an exceedingly rare rehearing. Since 1993, only 2 rehearings were granted in 214 such requests. Also to be reheard is Holmes versus Moore, which attempts to overturn a 2018 law requiring strict voter ID challenged by the NAACP. In her dissent over granting the rehearing, Justice Anita Earls wrote, "Not only does today's display of raw partisanship call into question the impartiality of the courts, but it also erodes the notion that the judicial branch has the institutional capacity to be a principled check on legislation that violates constitutional and human rights." Find articles and groups taking action at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.